Caillou, what's that funny noise? Caillou, what is that funny noise? It was time for bed. Mommy tucked Caillou in and kissed him good night. Sleep well, Caillou. See you in the morning. Mommy turned out the light and closed the door. Caillou closed his eyes and tried to sleep, but he heard a funny scratching noise in his room and he saw shadows on his blanket. Caillou reached for the flashlight from his night table drawer. Caillou called, Mama! Mommy came right away. What's the matter, Caillou? He pointed at the shapes on his bed. Monsters, Mama, monsters, look. Mommy looked at the bed and then she looked at the window. Those are just shadows from the window, she told Caillou. Caillou felt better, but what about the noise? Listen, he whispered to Mommy. There is a monster going scritch, scratch, scritch. Let me take a look, Caillou, Mommy said. Mommy searched all around the room. She also checked in the closet. There are not any monsters here, Caillou, Mommy said. Monsters are just make-believe. Mommy, Mommy went back to bed. Caillou sang a little song. I am not afraid of monsters. I am not afraid of monsters. Suddenly, the scratch sound began again. Caillou jumped up and got out of the bed. Something soft fell on top of him. Caillou called out for Daddy! Daddy! Daddy turned on the light. The soft thing was only Caillou's toy, Snaky. Yeah, but there is a real monster here too. Caillou looked around the room. There is nothing here, Caillou. Let's play your music box to help you fall asleep. Caillou tried to settle down. Soon the music stopped. And the scratch, scratch, scratch noise began again. Caillou called out, Mama! Daddy! How do you call mommy daddy when you are scared?
Mom, Daddy.
The monster is here. Caillou jumped out of bed and he ran away. The bedroom door opened. Caillou saw something in the doorway. Caillou thought it was a monster with two heads. Then Daddy turned on the light and it was not a monster at all. It was just Mommy and Daddy standing together in the doorway and it was their shadow. But what about that scratching noise? Look, Caillou, Daddy explained. The wind has been making the tree branches hit the window. That's what the funny noise was. Mommy said, sometimes ordinary things can seem scary until you know what they are. Just then, something came rushing out from under the bed. Oh, that was a Gilbert in the box. It was a brown and made a crackling noise. It was Gilbert in a paper bag. He got stuck. That's not a monster, laughed Caillou. How does Caillou laugh? That's just my cat. You will be able to sleep fine now, said Mommy. Here, Caillou said, Daddy, Daddy, Daddy will help me you sleep. Daddy put Daddy on Caillou's shoulders. Daddy's paws were covering Caillou's ear. No more funny noises. Just Caillou and Teddy tucked into bed. Night, Daddy. Good night, Mama, said Caillou. Good night, Daddy. Soon he was fast asleep. All done. Thank you.